How can we gradually develop detachment from material pursuits? We have material ambitions, conditioned by the societal expectations. But all these are impermanent, offering no real happiness. Is there a gradual path towards detachment from material pursuits?
Yes. The straight answer to this is, Sri Ramakrishna used to say, as you move more towards the east, the west is automatically left behind. You don't have to leave something behind. Move towards your goal, towards your destination. Now move towards a high goal in life. Enlightenment, of course. But when you move towards a high goal in life, what is it that I want? Then what I don't want will drop away from me. You don't have to quarrel with material possessions and material goals. They are not good, they are bad. No, you must catch hold of something higher. Notice the lives of great scientists and artists and writers. They are so deeply involved in their pursuit of knowledge, creativity, art. They don't have to think, does a scientist, Einstein or somebody, did they have to think, I have to fight against material objects? No. There is no interest at all. You drop it behind because all your interest, your focus is on something higher. Automatically, notice the lives of great painter, writer, scientist, whoever it is, philosopher. Their life itself becomes very, very, very simple. Material concerns drop away from their daily, from their view of life, because their attention is entirely focused on their goal. In the same way, in spiritual life, even more so, when God realization is the goal, when self-realization is the goal, then material pursuits, possessions, money, little concerns of career, they become so small, you don't bother about it anymore. So that is the path. The gradual path is always to move positively. Of course, one must have certain rules, certain discipline to reduce one's material concerns to the minimum. So that gives you the freedom to pursue a high goal. But the path is this simple motto. The more I move towards God, the more I move towards enlightenment, the more time I give for study, for meditation, for thinking about Vedanta, the less time, energy, desire will be there to mess about in the world. The unworldliness, the otherworldliness will come to you automatically by itself. Both are necessary. Sri Ramakrishna says, Ishwarya anurag vishaya virag. A love for God and a dispassion for vishaya, for worldly things. They go together. It's always best to stress the positive aspect. The renunciation of worldly activities and goals will come by themselves. One may also make a certain discipline of minimizing one's needs, of simplifying one's life. That's also very good.